go on with it. I've been the same, ain't shit changed, this ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, clear the way, it's some bad bitches coming through. I get 2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Yeah, I play tag and you go for life. Yeah, you a clown, you for life.
Hey everyone, I am back with another video. In this video, this is going to be another vlog. It's going to be a weekend in New York, going to the Edge, and then we're gonna grab a bite to eat and just talk and have a fun Friday night out. Okay, this is gonna be the weekend in the city, so it's gonna be a vlog throughout the whole entire weekend, and I'm starting my Friday. And yeah, so like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this vlog. I will see you guys at the Edge. So we just got to the Edge. I'm walking to the place now, but we are by the vessel. So this is the vessel. And I'm walking around it to get to the Edge. And it's freaking raining. So we just got here. I'm just waiting for my friend to come. So we just got here. This is the front. If you wanted to get tickets, they have it here. Or you just get the ticket here. We got our ticket already online. But if you wanted to get tickets here, they have a kiosk here. Some of them are not in use. All the ones that are not in use just to do social distancing. So they have this kiosk here. You can pay. You can buy your tickets, or you can pick up group orders. All right, so we got in here. We're in here. My boo is here. Oh, yeah. Let me enter my boo. Let me get yo. Huh? You recording? Yeah. Let me wait. Look at my friend. Hold on. Let me get that go yard though. Hold on. What a go yard? Oh, okay. Oh.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. Us at us for the friends we take off every load. One time kids sit down in a class and we board dead police at the road and we go on with the road. Third form me say me tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronics I sing, yeah, you see me all dig it soon get the higher ring like hello brother. Me say I had to shut ya, saw your poster spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes that's the motto. If me the butter pass through your soul to get ball in a life man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. And gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast to the friends we take off every load. One time dip sit down in a class and we pour dead bodies at the road and we go on with it, Just show our blessings upon me. And send me picture them a story. Just show our blessings upon me. And that's how I made them give him the call. Breathe, I made the lies. Jah knows I'm a push and ignite. Got the music, me excited. I'm coming like a boss. Blessings all for my life and but thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Gratitude.
When you can be with somebody and experience something.
I like to keep long. Oh, okay. Where did she go? Wait. She said face sunscreen. She said face sunscreen. I don't know what. I think it's gonna. I think if we face this way, it's gonna clear up. Yeah.
coming with a force. Yeah, blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings are just for the plus. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast for the friends that take off every load one time. Kids sit down in a class and we
Hello.
Hi.
Come on over, follow me. Come on right here. There you go.
We're here already.
Welcome to Edge. Beautiful view of New Jersey over there, huh? Sky deck is right downstairs. Champagne bar over here.
We gotta go to Champagne Bar. Thank you. Thank you. Gotta go here.
What's up?
Let me get my. So we are in the Champagne Bar now. I think we have to go over there because he got the tickets. Where the freak did we go? Oh, we getting champagne. Damn. Just the views for me.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. Didn't say from here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence, lust, guns, drugs, violence. Won't let you go.
So there's a KARIZMA music video right here. Heard you. Heard you. Give it to them. So it's raining right now, so we have to wait to go outside. So we're waiting to get a table for our champagne. So it's raining outside, so they are waiting. What are they doing? We were waiting to go outside, and then we need to get a champagne. We're waiting for our champagne too, but we have to find a table because they're not serving nobody. I think they're sitting there. Yeah, they sitting there. We have to wait for a table to get the champagne, so yeah, it's basically COVID protocol. So we're just waiting, and that's it. I don't know what snacks they have. Oh, they have Walter's fruit snacks, really? Walter's fruit snacks. $4 for some Walter's fruit snacks. I'll be damned. Are they the organic ones?
I'm gonna get them chips though.
With the kettle cook? They have kettle cooked chips? Alright. If they have that, this is their menu. They have champagne, wine, hot beverages, soft drinks, snacks.
She just let me know, but it sure no fit. Didn't say from here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe from here, but she doesn't run from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence, lust, guns, drugs, violence. Won't let you go, won't let you go, Your mama warned you about 5, 6, 2. To tell you the truth, she ain't lying to you. Baby, you said you ain't scared. Oh girl, I love how you care. I'll put your love on the pedestal. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. Hop in the whip, we can go school. Show you the city that made me like this. Ooh, baby like this. See, your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. Do you love me? Your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. Oh, won't let you go, won't let you go, ain't lying to you. Baby, you said you ain't scared. Oh, girl, I love how you care. I'll put your love on the pedestal. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. Hop in the whip, we can go school. Show you the city that made me like this. Ooh, 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 made me like this. See, your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. Do you love me? Your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. Oh, won't let you go, go, go. Won't let you go, 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 go.
Finished taking our pictures. Now we are in the gift shop. Okay, this is a gift shop for me. I don't think we need anything from here. We from New York, so it's not really. It's cute though. Hudson Yard shirt. Ooh, look at that. That's cute. Blondes, honey. That is cute. It's giving me train station. My ears are so soft. Oh, that's so cute!
Sorry, this one's broken.
So cute! Look at that came out! So we just finished the edge. Now you're about to go get some food. This is their what are we in? We're in the shopping area again. Yeah. So yeah, we're about to go get some food now. So what was it for oh, the lighting is cute in here, girl. Look at the light.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Force, yeah. So we are coming in with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the.
So, silly me, I did not even check to see what time the reservation was at the rooftop. So we missed the reservation at the rooftop. So now we are at KIMBERLY Hotel. We're staying at a restaurant here. We found it by chance just from being in the lobby of the hotel, and it was so nice, and they had tables available, so we're eating here now. So we're just waiting for Amanda to come in from the bathroom, and then we're going to order. But yeah, at least she found somewhere to eat. You know she don't need no flash my phone. So we got our food. I got the sea bass, and she got the sea bass too. Oh yes, it looked good. See, no flash, like ridiculous. I just got back home. I just wanted to talk about. So at the Edge, they have the outdoor that's open. It started raining, so we couldn't go until it stopped raining outside.
Outside?
Is the facade open yet?
So the Edge is open, but the area where you're allowed to sit on the edge and drink is not open.
Oh, so we could have went outside, basically.
Not with your drinks.
Oh, okay. So
there's one designated area out on the edge where you're allowed to take your mask off.
Oh, okay.
So now that you have a table, you're able to drink.
Okay, cool.
So you have the champagne vouchers, right?
Yes.
We're gonna pull those up. We're gonna scan them into this solution.
Okay.
And they have the triangle pyramid, well, the triangle diamond that's in the middle of the floor. They closed it off. We wasn't able to take pictures on that, but we were able to take pictures on other stuff. Now we went to, a lot of things are closed because of COVID, so yeah, a lot of stuff is closed. We were out until about 10 o'clock. Everything was closing around 10 o'clock, so I just got back home. So today I'm going to be meeting with my other friend, and we are going to Rooftop in the city, and then probably do hookah after. So I'm actually getting ready right now. I'm gonna get dressed and then head out, and I will see you guys at the lounge. We are going to upstairs. Rooftop is located in the Kimberly Hotel. So I just got to the place. We were waiting for my friend to come. This is my top. I got the pretty little things. And you're going to see all the pictures, but the views, I'm going to show you the views of the place. So now we're about to go to a hookah spot. It's like probably like 4 minutes from here. KARIZMA Lounge.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And until next video.
But they got no mouth when money bag talk. It's quiet, ain't no back talk. Quiet, ain't no back talk.